Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
For a Desi Fridge pickle, gather 500 g mangoes or 300 g mixed vegetables, 200 ml white vinegar, 100 g salt, and 50 g sugar plus spices. Use fresh produce, cut to uniform 1-2 cm pieces for even pickling. Sterilize 1-liter glass jar in boiling water for 10 minutes, then air dry on a clean towel. Use food-safe gloves. Dry hands and utensils prevent spoilage. Measure spices precisely, and keep a small funnel and clean spoon ready to pack jar. Begin by heating 60 ml mustard oil until it reaches the smoking point, then cool slightly to preserve flavor without burning. Toast 2 tablespoon fenugreek seeds lightly and grind coarsely, then mix with 1 tablespoon turmeric and 1 tablespoon red chili powder for a balanced Desi masala. Pack the prepared mangoes or vegetables tightly into the sterilized jar, leaving 2 cm headspace for expansion. Pour cooled oil spice mix over packed vegetables and seal jar tightly to exclude air and speed infusion. After sealing, store the jar at room temperature for 48 hours to kickstart fermentation and flavor infusion, then refrigerate at 4 degrees C to slow further fermentation. Shake the jar daily for 3 days to distribute spices evenly and press vegetables into the brine to minimize air pockets. Taste after 1 week, adjusting salt or vinegar in future batches if needed. Consume within 3 months. Discard if mold appears or off odor occurs. Serve chilled with rotis, rice, or as a condiment for snacks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.